Welcome to the AceClamp Speed Comparison Trials. Today we'll be comparing snow retention system installation procedures and times between the AceClamp Color Snap and another leading competitor. First, let's have a rundown of the parts. Both systems are rail-type snow retention systems, meaning they feature a horizontal rail as opposed to a traditional bar system. Besides strength and snow retention attributes, an added benefit of rail systems is that they allow the roofing installer to match the roofing color by using panel material inserted and secured to the face of the rail. Both the AceClamp Color Snap and the other leading brand attach to SSMRs via a clamping system, from which a rail and ice clip will be attached. However, AceClamp comes fully assembled, so the result should be interesting. Let's begin the race. On the right, we have AceClamp Color Snap, and on the left, the other leading competitor. And they're off. The Ace installer on the right side of the screen begins by laying down clamps on the chalk line. Straight down they go, one by one. On the left, the roofer assembles the competitive product to prepare for installation. The AceClamp Color Snap system comes fully assembled and attaches to the seam by tightening just one bolt, which in turn tightens the two secure lock pins. While the installer of the competitive product continues to prep his clamps, the Ace installer is already nearly half done securing his run to the seams. The Ace clamp bolt compresses two pins with one action and without applying rotational force to the roofing material, which helps safeguard the finish and warranty. Here comes the rail. Just a snap into the top block and it's in place. We now see that the installer on the left is finally able to begin attaching the competitive clamps, which he will install by tightening two set screws to the seam, an action that requires twice the time and also applies both pressure and rotational force. Just a few more bolts to tighten and the basic AceClamp Color Snap system is now installed. Now for the ice clips, which require no fasteners. Simply snap them into place along the rail for a secure fit. Just a few more to go as the installer on the right goes down the line to the finish. On the left, competition struggles to slide and align all necessary ice flags along the rail. We'll speed up the clock to conclude this demonstration. He now proceeds to lay out the bolts and attach the clamps to the rail. And down the line he goes. Folks, the clock is ticking away and he's still working. Finally, the competition has crossed the finish line. There you have it. The first run has AceClamp installed in blazing fast time. What happens when our installers switch sides? Ace the race with AceClamp. Call or visit aceclamp.com today to order sample parts and see for yourself how AceClamp can get you off the roof faster and with less effort, saving both time and labor costs.